Hello students, let's do the dissection of hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower is a bisexual flower, means it is having a male reproductive unit and female reproductive unit both. Now a flower generally contains four parts, that is calyx, corolla, male reproductive unit and female reproductive unit, and also a pedicel, a stalk of flower known as pedicel. We'll start first with calyx, the outermost whorl of the flower. Whorl means round, circle. These are known as sepals. These green leaf-like structures, they are known as sepals, and together all the sepals form a whorl, form a round known as calyx. Next is second whorl is of corolla. Corolla is the whorl formed with the petals. Now this red colored leaf-like structure, which are very attractive and help in pollination, they are petals, and all the petals together they form a whorl. Whorl means that a round like structure and known as corolla. Here below you can see these tiny leaf-like structures. Then they are known as apicalyx. Apicalyx, calyx and corolla. So now let's start with the dissection part. Now this is known as calyx. This is pedicel. These petals form a whorl known as corolla. Now coming to the male reproductive unit. Now coming back onto the male and female reproductive unit. These are male reproductive units. All these yellow colored structures that you can see, they are male reproductive unit. It consists of filament and anther. Anther is the tip, which is yellow in color. You can see that yellow color is because of pollens. So now I'll show you the female reproductive part, which is the stigma, style and ovary. I am removing the outer part, which contains male reproductive unit. Now after dissecting, I have taken out the female reproductive part. This is style, stigma and ovary. Here is the tip, which is known as stigma, thread-like structure, style, and here is the ovary. So this is female reproductive part.